What is an IPv4 address? It's a 32-bit address written in dotted decimal format. And it consists of two parts, the network and host. Historically, IP addresses were divided into 5 classes, A to E. In modern networking, classful addressing is largely obsolete because classless is the standard now, but it's still covered on the CCNA and helps us understand subnetting and default mask. Let's start with Class A. This is the IP address range, subnet mask, number of networks, and host. It's used for large organizations or ISPs. Keep in mind that 127.0.0.0 is reserved for loopback and is not assignable. Next is Class B. These are the range, subnet mask, number of networks, and host. It's used for medium to large organizations. Class C has this range, subnet mask, number of networks, and host, and typically used for small networks, home, and office LANs. Then we have Class D. Just keep in mind the IP range. It doesn't have a default subnet mask because they are not designed for traditional networking where subnetting is needed, and they are also not assignable to host. They are typically used for multicast groups. Multicasting allows a single sender to send data to a group of receivers simultaneously, like streaming media, distributing stock quotes, or broadcasting updates in online games. And last is Class E. Same with Class D, they don't have a default subnet mask and are not assignable to host. It's typically used for experimental purposes or research. Here are the key things to remember for the exam. Classless inter-domain routing or CIDR is now the standard, but you still need to know these classes for the exam. Also memorize the first octet ranges. And understand the default subnet mask of classes A, B, and C. Remember that 127.0.0.0 is loopback and not part of Class A range. And classes D and E are not assignable to host.